Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Today I am going to talk about my Invisalign treatment. I do not have my trays in right now. When I film, I do not wear them. I think I have a lisp, so it's just better for me to talk clear when I am filming without the trays in. But I've had many people ask me, how is it going? So I thought I would pop on today and share all of the updates with you. I have been doing Invisalign for about a year. I believe I started last March, so just slightly over a year. When I started my Invisalign treatment, my orthodontist shared with me that she had expected it to be about an 18-month program, and we are pretty much on point with that. When I went to my orthodontist about 2 months ago, she pretty much said I was about done, but she felt like we could do a little bit of tweaking, and I supported that as well, especially with the fact that I am in front of a camera. So having straight teeth, having white and beautiful teeth is very important to me. And stay tuned, because coming up in a couple weeks, I will be doing a teeth whitening video. I do have a video that is old here on YouTube, and I also do have a blog post. I still implement a lot of the same things, but I just thought I was due to update you on what is going on because I have made some changes. So stay tuned for that. But back to Invisalign. When my orthodontist and I made the decision that we would finesse and tweak things, a whole new scan was taken and turned into Invisalign, where they come up with a program for the remainder of my treatment. I recently received my final trays to get me through the end of my treatment, but pretty much my teeth are straight. I'm really happy that I chose to do this. Like many of you, I did have braces as a teenager, but I neglected to wear my retainer the way that I should, like many teens and young adults do, and therefore our teeth shift. So I cannot stress enough the importance of wearing your retainer so this does not happen. Boy, I wish I would have, because Invisalign is a very costly procedure to do, and when you're my age, your dental insurance rarely is going to cover it. So you are paying for the whole entire treatment out of pocket, and it is really similar to just purchasing braces a second time around. But I am really happy that I did it. My teeth are looking great, and it's really went well. I wear my trays pretty much all the time. It is not a big inconvenience. I have never experienced pain or been sore, which is kind of weird because a lot of people that do Invisalign will be really sore when they put new trays in. I have never experienced that. Now, we all have different sensitivity levels, so I think a lot of it could do with that. I have also, for the whole duration of my treatment, been on a 2-week switch with trays. So when I am done with a number of tray and I am moving to the next number, it's 2 weeks in between. Now, these last trays that I just picked up a couple weeks ago, we're doing about every 10 days here on out. So I know a lot of people change their trays weekly, and I think it really just depends on how much correction you require. And I probably really didn't require a lot of correction like many would right up front because I had braces before. If you are starting with orthodontic treatment right from the get-go and never had braces, there's a good chance you are going to require more trays and maybe even a longer treatment period. So Invisalign is going to be different for everyone, just like many things. If it is something that interests you, I would look into it. As far as cost, it's going to be different for different orthodontists, so just contact your local orthodontist and find out what you would be looking at. But really, I have nothing negative to say. It's been great, and to me, it's been worth it. So really, that's the update with Invisalign. Stay tuned. In a couple weeks, I'll have my teeth whitening video, and that should cover everything. So thank you for joining me. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.